that I think about it, I think that Mother Earth is giving us very important feedback. She's telling us that the systems that we've relied on for so long aren't working, and that we need to reprioritize, and that we have a once-in-a-species long opportunity to restructure our world to finally be good for all of us. And there's this quote that I've taken a lot of solace in recently by the incredible Valerie Kerr, who I ran into the other day and fangirled. And she says, "What if this darkness is not the darkness of a tomb, but the darkness of a womb?" And it's with that quote that I think it presents all of us the question, what beautiful worlds can we build when we ideate what justice really looks like for all of us? And I think that's really exciting. I think a lot of people will hear climate narratives that are very doom-ridden and full of apocalyptic vibes, and there's a lot of truth in that, right? But the climate crisis is a story. It's a story of heartbreak and loss, but it's also a story that hasn't been written fully. Mariana Elise Hegler talks about how we're still in the writer's room, and I really believe that deeply. And there's a lot of joy and optimism that is in loving a better world into existence and being a part of that.